Jivitra Nagalingam and my group members are Varshni Jagarajan and Naga Subhashini Samasivan are here to talk about our business model canvas BMC for our newly opened small business shop titled KJ Brownie Station. Our main goal is always achieve a high level of customer satisfaction with our service and product we provide. We are thrilled you have decided to visit us. Please browse our site to discover more what we are all about. Our website link will be provided in the end of this video. Let's move into the video. Since opening 2020, KJ Brownie Station committed to produce quality products, exceptional service, and incomparable customer care keep our community come back again and again. We never stop improving and continuing extend our operate ways how we are the best to start up a business to come up with a unique product and service. So, in the growing world of business, it is really a challenge for those who want to start a business to come up with a unique product and service that will cater a wide market. Coming up with a distinctive product may seem impossible. Tough variation and planning up of different ideas may produce a unique and sole business product that will be enjoyed by many consumers. In starting up a business, it is a proper to think first if the product is something that people would actually spend their money for. In the community we are in, most businesses are concerning food, beverages, and other similar products. Many Filipinos around, if not all, have sweet tooth. They almost always see to it that sweets or dessert are a part of their daily diet. As an experienced entrepreneur, we took the opportunity and come up with the idea of starting a business that will cater to the people a product that will surely satisfy their cravings for sweet delicious. Having this as an idea for a business, we established our product to be a homemade and easy to make no bake brownies, which is surely be highly expected by the target market. First, let's know what is business model canvas is. BMC. Roughly translated, the technical term of business model canvas means we can clearly present how business idea on a piece of paper. These allow us to visualize our business model, detect weakness, and test whether how can it works. BMC model of KJ Brownie Station divided into 9 segments, which is key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, key resources, channels, customer segment, cost structure, and revenue streams. Each segment will be explained more specifically in this video. Now, let's see the business model canvas of KJ Brownie Station. As you can see, this is our business model canvas BMC for KJ Brownie Station. Our canvas model is divided into 9 segments. Each segment have different characteristics and role play. Let's move into the first segment, that is key partners. The partners of KJ Brownie Station is Varshini, Jivitra, and Nagusubhashini. These are the people who want to help and collaborate, such as consulting and responsibility in developing, managing the customer relationship, identifying new business opportunities, contributing the growth and development, declaring a dividend, and improving the financial statement of business depends on the percentage of partnership they hold. The main supplier of our KJ Brownie Station is Bakeware supplier Sundrian Farhat, who provide high quality baking products and equipment with reasonable price. It also accompanies in supplying machines, especially for baking staff. Lastly, understanding customer enables our business to effective marketing and advertising our business product. Moreover, this also helps us to develop a good relationship among our customer. Our main attention goes to the customer that mainly stays around Gomba area where our shop is located. Next, my group member Naga Subhashini will continue on.
Thank you, Jivitra Nagalingam. Now, let's move on to key activities. What is key activities? Key activities are any activities that your business is engaged in for the primary purpose of making a profit. Business activities include operations, marketing, production, problem solving, and administration. For us, here, the key activities are sell brownies, bake brownies, make a promotion, buy ingredients, make packaging for the brownies, delivery brownies to the customers, distribute flyers, generate ads through WhatsApp and Instagram. We are going to make activities to get profit of it and also to make others customer in the product that we do. We will create the desserts that each activity need to make customer attracts. Example in birthdays. depending on the customers. Like if it is children, then we will make a cake of their liking. If it is an adult, make something more adult like, but everything depends. But we will try to make as many activities as possible, like normal celebrations, events, festivals, all types of ceremonies, because we will make the best of our us to satisfy all types of customers and never refuse the demands or requests of the customers having a limit for us. We are also going to make a special class for people that are really want to learn how to make sweet things, and they can attend. But we are also going to publish in many social medias so that we can see how much effort we are making, and so they can learn for free looking at the videos. Next is value propositions. What is value propositions? Value proposition is an innovation, service, or feature intended to make a company or product attractive to customers. It is the reason why customers turn to one company over another. Something to keep in mind in your is your value proposition can change as you gather more data from customer interviews. That is okay and is something to be expected. You will most likely end up changing your value propositions several times before you arrive at your final list. Value propositions should be developed based on the customer segment in mind, since one will continually develop the other throughout the BMC process. For here, the KJ brownies offer a wide variety types of brownies, which is red velvet, deep and deep, brownies tower, Oreo brownies, walnut brownies, Congo bar, classic, and also offer a wide variety of quality toppings. Nutella, walnuts, crushed Oreo, berries, Kit Kat, almond slice, M&M chocolates, Kinder Bueno, Cadbury chocolate, marshmallow, Moschella chocolate. Our value propositions is to create a website where the customer can, and if they want to design their own brownies, they can do it and send it to us, and we will try to make it with also the best service in our shop, because all of the employees are very cheerful and make the customers feel good and comfortable with the shop unique design. And the most important thing is we want our customer to feel happiness that we want to transmit in the brownies. Everything we will make in have your feeling on it and the happy face that they after making eating it. We are also going to deliver brownies so that if customers are very tired and can't leave home, we will deliver it for them. Right now, we don't know where our shop is gonna to be, but it will be placed there where is many people, and if it succeed, we will expand it to everywhere. Then we move on to customer relationship. Customer relationship describes the type of relationship a company establishes with its specific customer segments. Customer relationships are driven by customer acquisitions, customer retention, and boosting sales. In other words, you need to keep and get and grow your customer relationship. Firstly, for the customer relationship, order through online, which is KJ Brownie Station. Interaction at pickup. Brownies ready on time. Brownies are fresh baked. Brownies will be safely delivered. Friendly service, prompt response. Discount during the festive season. Price of brownies based on the size, use or response from customers. All the employees need to be connected to our customers where they could create a relationship with trust and honesty. The employees need to use their politeness and dedicated service with the clients so they could use telephone, email, and whatever channels to connect with each other. Now, my group member Varshini Jagarajan will continue on.
Thank you, Nagasubhashini. Now, customer segments. In the customer segments, we could find different types of customers that we want to sell our product to, such as brownies lovers who are craving for brownies that they really like sweet food. Next is chocolate lovers who are in love with various types of toppings. Customers who are ordering through our website or other online application is referred as online customers. Finally, Gomba residents who are situated nearby KJ Brownie Station shop. Next is channels. In channel segment, we will use a WhatsApp group with title KJ Brownies. Our Instagram page is KJ Brownies Station and all channels that are very used like giving out flyers nearby Gomba town which consists of our shop's logo and making promotions discounts so that people know that we exist. We also accept orders via phone which is delivered by COD. Now let's see key resources. In this segment, our capital for this business costs around 100,000. We will use human resources such as a very good brownies baker, but also some of our skilled employees with brownies making skills can be the chef, so then we wouldn't contract so many employers. We will create our own web page so that people can enter and see our products and download the application. Our quality will be higher than the average and also the price we will make it good so everyone could afford it, but everything depends in the place where it is located and also the size. High quality of ingredients and baking equipment to bake brownies is important to achieve a high level of customer satisfaction with the services and products. Products deliver strategy using promotion, flyers, social media have a high guarantee on reaching out more people out there. Now let's see the cost structure. So in this part, we need to pay many things. Skilled employers and chefs also need their salaries, which cost us around 6,000 ringgit per month, where employees will work by shifts. Employees will work for 8 hours per day. Employee salary calculated by 5 ringgit for per hour multiplied with 5 employees and multiplied with 30 days. So total is 6,000 ringgit. For paying the ingredients supplier to our shop costs around 4,735 ringgit and plus for per month. And for the utility bill, such as electricity bill, water bill, in our shop costs us around 1,350 plus per month for the double story shop. Next is revenue streams. We are going to make profit of many different things such as all types of activities that we make so we will get as many as we could do. First is advertising in social media, getting attention of people all over the world. Sales on having huge promotion during festive season can make us gain some profit. Variety types of brownies and toppings, all that our shop sells that is the main purpose of our shop. Not forgotten from the key partners, people that really want to be our shareholders. They give us money and we will give them shares of our business or deliver products in a celebration of the company of the or the person. So at the end, we could make a very good offer of contract so that both parties involved can get the profit they want it. Thank you. Finishing with this, if this shop is going well, we are going to expand it everywhere. And also, if there is enough people that really want to be part in dropship service for KJ Brownie Station, we think of opening another branch in different locations. That's all from us. Thank you.